Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create countdown timer right inside of Freeshow. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is to come to show right here, and you want to click on new show, or use the shortcut Ctrl-N or Command-N on MacBook. Now you want to give it a name. I'll call it countdown timer. So you can call it whatever name you want. For the category, I'm going to set it to presentation for the sake of organization. Yeah, so just to be organized and put things in order. So I'm going to click on empty show right here. Now it gives us this countdown timer right under this project. Now the next thing to do is to create a new slide. Click to create a new slide, and I'm going to click on text box to add my first text. Now I'm going to type in starting soon, that is service starting soon, or whatever word you think you want to. Oh, going live soon, starting soon, or whichever word you want to use, you can just type that in. Now resize it, take it up here. Now if you highlight this, under text box you can change the properties of the text within the text box, and under item you can change the properties of the container. Do you understand? So what do I mean by that? You can come to the item here, you can add corner radius. If you look at the edges here, you could see this curve here. You can add corner radius to it, and you can change the color. Can you see? You can change it to something like this. If you come to the text box, you can change into white color, or you change it to any color you so wish. Do you understand? So I'm just going to leave it as white. At the same time, you can change the font. I'm going to use fantasy, or any font you think is okay for you. Just use that. Now I'm just, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use a random font. So I set that as bold. Now the next thing is to add our timer. So I will go to items here and select timer. Now the default is 5 minutes. Now you can resize it, come down here, resize it, 5 minutes. If you are good to go, if you want to add corner radius to these as well, don't forget, come to item here, add the corner radius. Then you have something like this. If you want to give it a background color, you can do the same for it. Just select it, go to the background color and change the color as well, so you have something like this. Now let us go to show. Now once you click on this, it starts counting down. That's pretty simple. Now you might want to ask that, oh, what about if you want to start, let's say, customizing things, like you want to set it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or a different duration. Now to do that, just come to show, just come to function here. You've got this function 2 right here. If you look right here, you will see that you have the pause icon here. So if I click on it, it's going to pause the timer here. If I play it again, it will resume the countdown. Now I'm going to right click on it, and I have the option edit. So if I click on edit, I can come right here. You see, from 5 minutes, that's the default. So I can change it to 10 minutes. Click on this plus, or just type it in. So 10 minutes. And once I'm done, I will just click on this button, edit. It's going to change it to 10 minutes. But if you look right here, you see that this still keeps counting down. But once you come right here and click reset, it's going to set it back to the new value you inputted. So you see, you have 10 minutes right here. Now what I want to do now is to click, is either you click on this slide or you just click the play button here. If I click on the slide, it starts counting down again. So another option I want you to see right here, if I right click and click on edit, is the overflow when reached end. So if I toggle it on, I've got this warning color here. So which means once it gets to 0, 0, which is where it ends, it will start counting to the negative. And there's another option here that says blink when overflowing. That is, the time should keep blinking when it's already up. Do you get it? So if I turn it on, let's see what happens. I'm going to set it to, don't worry, let me just leave it at that. I will forward it. Just click on edit here, come right here again and click on reset. It's going to set it back to 10 minutes. So if I click on play, start counting down. But remember, we are going to 0, so it's going to take a lot of time if I'm to wait for it to count down. So I'm just going to forward it to about 4 seconds. So let's see what happens. Now can you see it changed to it changed to a warning sign, which is the red color, and start counting into the negative and keeps blinking. That's the function. That's the function of this blink when overflowing, as well as overflow when reached end. I hope this video is helpful. If you find it helpful, give me a like, give me a follow, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I create a new video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.